Let's take a look at today's price action. So looking at pre-market, my original bias was bullish, but I really wanted a bearish move at market open to tap into the unmitigated 4-hour gap and take continuation longs off to our stacked highs. Now at market open, we manipulated up through the 1-hour bearish gap, which caused me to look for short opportunities. We had great rejection and ended up creating a 1-minute inverse fair value gap, which we ended up displacing through and created an entry opportunity. So we placed our stop loss at the swing high and our TP at the major swing low, which was our previous session low, and we also placed our break even at the equal lows created in the pre-market. So after a bunch of chop after that first entry, price finally swept these equal lows and hit our break-even point. Price ended up manipulating back up, so we got stopped out of the trade. But if we held on to this trade without having a break-even, we could have seen our TP would have been hit from that final wick of this candle. So after the break-even on that first trade, we had another entry opportunity where price tapped back into that 1-hour fair value gap. And as you can see, we created a 1-minute inversion fair value gap. But since the next candle displaced so far through that IFVG, by the time we would have entered, the risk to reward ratio would have been so small, so it didn't even really make sense to take that trade. However, that was another really good re-entry. But as you can see, once price finally reached that swing low, we just started pumping all the way back up. And after that, I just got off of the charts. My strategy works best when I trade closest to market open, and after those 2 entry opportunities in those trades, I really didn't have much conviction or confidence to even go back in the market and look for another opportunity. I take only 1 to 2 trades per day max, and they're usually close to AM session open. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.